Alright, I'm going to replace the oil separator while the transmission is out because I got access to it right here. This design on this 04 boxer has only one mounting point here, and then there's a hose here on the side. Right here, I hope you can see it. You would normally access it from the top here, but since I have access down here, you squeeze the two tops and this clip will back out the hose like that. Okay, disconnect it like that, and then there's one on top, and then I have a little clip here which should be no big deal, and then we should be able to slide this up, remove this looks like a female Torx head we will need, and then I'll get to removing that. Okay. Alright, I used a pair of these angle channel locks to get in here, and you can see I moved the down, and so now I'm going to try to break it by taking a little tool and then sticking it in and freeing up that hose. Okay, and then it should come out. So I needed this E10. You can tell it's an inverted 6-point female Torx, and I got these actually to do these. Okay, so it's a good fit and it's the same size, so they'll come in handy in the future. Alright, there's the old part. Got it out. That mounting screw in the back is the one that's kind of hard to get to from downstairs. And I got this part from Rock Auto. It's a Euro part, and it seems to be the exact same thing. I'm going to break it open. Yeah, side by side there's the new part, and there's the old part. And there's the part number if you need it. But it looks like it's going to be a good fit, and they look similar. So I'm going to install it now and get it back in there. Okay, and it's going to go in this way, and we should be able to get it in just like that. Okay, let me get it. Let me use two hands here. Alright, then just torque down the fasteners. There's two, remember, on the front, and then reconnect the hose for the vents. They just snap into place, and then tighten up the clamp on the bottom here for the bottom of the drain, and then you're done. And then that should be good for, who knows, until it starts smoking again. Alright, thank you. Alright, the screw behind there was really tough because the access is very difficult from back here, but after you get that screw out and then the bolt here out, just put a screwdriver under here and pushed it up, and you can tell it's free now. So we're gonna work it out. Okay.